is a cube again. Uh, has a very interesting pattern on all sides, and there's no cutout this time. And at every face you have 4 different colors. So cube has 12 edges, and for every edge we need one piece. So that means you need 12 sheets of paper, 12 squares of paper. So you could take 3 colors into 4 sheets each. So let's start with a unit. So I have one side white, one side color. It's not necessary, you could take the same color on both sides. So the first fold is to divide this paper into 2 parts, and the back into 1/4. Open the center fold, so you'll find that you have divided paper into 4 parts. Now please pay attention, you have to take the bottom left. Open this, rotate the piece, again the bottom left. So you have to stick with the bottom left for all the 12 pieces. If you lose concentration and you take the bottom right, it's going to be a mistake. Okay, now lift the flap and just tuck it in. Lift the flap and just tuck it in. And this little flap, you could have this variation by folding a piece like this. This one becomes like this. These little flaps, just fold it at the back, we don't need them, right? So on the back you'll see that you have a parallelogram. So this time what we have to do, we have to get this point here. And we have to get this point there. Right? And then you make a fold in the center. So you have a perfect rectangle. Make sure you have very sharp creases, because the sharper your crease, the better your model turns out. So we need 12 pieces of these. So this is going to be the edge of the cube. This is going to be the edge of the cube. So let's make 12 pieces. Okay, all 12 pieces done and neatly stacked. So since I have only 4 colors and 3 each, so I would like to have a combination that requires 3 pieces to meet at a vertex. So since this is going to be the edge of the cube, my other edge is going to be like this, right? So naturally this is going to go into this pocket here, and my third piece is going to come like this. So that means this is going to go into this pocket and this is going to go into this pocket. So I have a nice vertex with 3 edges already. Now let's take another vertex. So maybe I take a blue this time. So this piece is going to come like this, right? So that means this is going to go into this pocket here, and maybe I take another color this time. So the blue goes into the green and the green goes into the yellow. So I have completed 2 vertices, this one and this one. So here I want this vertex should have all blue. So I take the blue, I just tuck this into this pocket here. My last, the third blue goes into this pocket here. Right? Now you have a flap here, just pull it out from the back, it goes into the yellow. So as you're adding more pieces, the cube is getting sturdier. Right? Now let's have the green. So of course my green goes into this pocket here. My third green goes into this pocket and also goes into this pocket. Now you have yellow that comes from the back, goes into the green. It's like solving a puzzle. You need to concentrate. You need to be aware what piece is going to come where. Now I have added all pieces except my red. So you see a vertex missing here. So this is going to be red. So that means a red will come like this here. So that means it will go into the green here at the back, and your blue will come from the behind and go into the red like this. So one of my red is in place. Let's take another red. So it's going to come like this here, and my third red is going to come like this. So that means this goes into this pocket, and the third red attaches to this pocket here. It's not yet complete. You need to pull up these little flaps from the back and put it here. This red goes in here. I still have two missing, so yeah, this yellow comes from the back, goes into the red, and I guess the last flap goes in like this. So it's complete. So you see, this vertex has all reds, this vertex has all yellow, this vertex is all blue, this vertex has all green. So this is one way of assembling the cube. If you have 3 colors into 4 sheets each, then it will be a different assembly. Quite an interesting model. It's like a puzzle that you have to solve.